হ্যালো ফ্রেন্ডস, ওয়েলকাম এডুকেশন ইউটিউব চ্যানেল। আজকে আমরা আলোচনা করব 1000 প্লাস মোস্ট ইম্পর্টেন্ট জিকে কোয়েশ্চেন এনটিপিসি এক্সাম এবং সামনে যে ক্লার্কশিপ এক্সাম রয়েছে, MTS এক্সাম চলছে, সেগুলোর জন্য এখান থেকে কমন থাকবে। ফার্স্ট কোয়েশ্চেন, who designed Indian national flag? Pingali Bhinkaya. Who designed India rupee symbol? Answer Udaya Kumar Dharma Lingam. Third question, who is known as the Napoleon of India? Samudragupta. Who is known as the Frontier Gandhi? Answer Abdul Gaffar Khan. Next question, who is the first Nobel Prize winner in Asia? Rabindranath Tagore. In eye donation, which part of donor's eye is utilized? Answer corona. The World Environment Day is celebrated world on 5 June. Decibel is the unit of sound. Light year is the unit of distance. Diopter is the unit of power of lens. Who is the first Governor General of Independence India? Lord Mountbatten. Who is the first Indian Governor General of India? Sid Rajagopalachari. Who is the first foreigner to get Bharat Ratna Award? Abdul Gaffar Khan. 14 number, who is the founder of Congress? Hume. 1885. Who is the first Lok Sabha speaker? G.V. Mavalankar. What sugar is found in honey? Fructose. On which principle does rocket works? Newton's third law. Which gas is filled in electric bulb? Argon. First sound film in India? Alam Era. Who started Bhadan movement? Arya Vinoba Brave. Which river make Sundarban Delta? Ganga. Which state has the longest coastline in India? Gujarat. Which country has the longest boundary with India? বাংলাদেশ। এখান থেকে কোশ্চেন কমন থাকবেই, পিডিএফ ডেসক্রিপশনে দেওয়া থাকবে, ধৈর্য সহকারে সকল কোশ্চেনগুলো দেখে নিন। হু ইজ দ্য ফাদার অফ ইকোনমিক্স? অ্যাডাম স্মিথ। 25 নম্বর, হুইচ বেদা কন্টেন্ট গায়ত্রী মন্ত্র? ঋগ্বেদ। ফ্রম হোয়ার সত্যমে জয়তে ইজ টেকেন? মুন্ডাকা উপনিষদ। ফ্রম হোয়ার বন্দে মাতরম ইজ টেকেন? আনন্দমঠ। হু রোট আনন্দমঠ? বঙ্কিমচন্দ্র চট্টোপাধ্যায়। হু রোট পঞ্চরত্ন? বিষ্ণু শর্মা। হু রোট सत्यार्थ प्रकाश? आंसर स्वामी दयानंद सरस्वती। 31, which of the following articles of the Constitution deals with a financial emergency? Article 360. Which article gives special status to Jammu and Kashmir? Answer Article 370. Which gas is used in LPG cylinder? Answer propane and butane. Which gas is abundant in the atmosphere? Nitrogen. Where Chandragupta Maurya died? श्रावण बेलगल गया. Where was Gautam Buddha born? Lumbini, Nepal. Where did Gautam Buddha give his first sermon? Sarnath, Banarasi. Who is the founder of Arya Samaj? Swami Dayananda Saraswati. Who is the founder of Brahma Samaj? Raja Ram Mohan Rai. Who is the founder of Ram Krishna Mission? Swami Vivekananda. Who founded Abhinav Bharat Society? Vinayak Damodar Savarkar. When was Bangladesh got freedom? December 16, 1971. Who was the first Muslim president of India? National Congress. Baruddin Tabji. Who is the first lady president of Indian National Congress? Annie Besant. Tropic of Cancer pass through Indian states 8. Place where Indian currency notes are printed? Nasik, Maharashtra. When was Reserve Bank of India established? 1st April 1935, Kolkata. First state format on the basis of language? Andhra Pradesh. Who is the father of the Indian space program? Dr. Vikram Sarabhai. Who discovered India? Vasco da Gama, 1498. Where is ISRO located? Bangalore. Who estimated the national income for the first time in India? Dadabhai Naraji. Which city is known as Silicon Valley of India? Bangalore. Who is the first Chief Justice of Supreme Court of India? Hiralal J. Kanaya. Who is the world first woman Prime Minister? Sri Mevo Bande Naike. Who is the first woman Governor of India? Sarojini Naidu. Who is the first Chief Minister of India? Sucheta Kripalini. Where is Konark Sun Temple is situated? Odisha. Highest waterfall in India? Jog Falls. Which gas is manually found in Gobar gas? Methane. Which gas filled in tire of plane? Helium. How many keys found on keyboard? 101 keys. Who is the first president of Indian National Congress? W.C. Banerjee. Who is the first Indian woman president of Indian National Congress? Sarojini Naidu. Who is the first woman president of Indian National Congress? Annie Besant. Who is the first woman president? Annie Besant. And Indian woman president Sarojini Naidu. Where is the International Court of Justice located? The Hague, Netherlands. What is the full form of CFL? Compact fluorescent light. What is the pH value of pure water? 7. How many groups and periods are there in periodic table? 18 groups and 7 periods. World's largest producer of mica is? Answer: India. Which is the first state in India formed on the basis of language? Andhra Pradesh. In atmosphere, the lowest lower layer in troposphere. Who is the first ICS of the world? Satyendranath Tagore. When was first railway start in India? 16 April 1853, Mumbai to Thane. Who is the last Mughal Empire of India? Bahadur Shah II. When was first Battle of Panipat? 1526. When was second Battle of Panipat? 1556. When was Battle of Plassey? Fight. 1757. When was Battle of Buxar? 1764. When is Human Rights Day celebrated? 10th December. When is AIDS Day celebrated? 1st December. When is Ozone Day is celebrated? 16 September. When is Labor Day is celebrated? 1st May. Best source of vitamin C? Amla. ELISA test is related to AIDS. A cut diamond shine brilliantly due to total internal reflection. The intensity of earthquake is measured by seismograph. Tax belong to central government, excise duty, custom duty, and income tax. Another name of Rigur soil is black soil. In which state is the Guru Shikhar peak located? Rajasthan. A money bill under Constitution of India is tabled in the Lok Sabha. Which one of the following cannot be dissolved but can be abolished anytime? State Legislative Council. Time of 0 hour in Parliament. 12 noon to 1 p.m. The first meeting of the Constituent Assembly. 9 December 1946. The last meeting of the Constituent Assembly. 24 January 1950. When was National Anthem of India adopted by Constituent Assembly? 24 January 1950. When was National Flag of India adopted? 22 July 1947. The language in which Buddha preached Pali, by which amendment the right to property has been omitted? 44. 44. Density of water is maximum at 4 degrees Celsius. Kaziranga National Park is the only natural habitat of the one horned Rion, Assam. Deficiency of which of the following cause noon clothing of blood? Vitamin K. Who had given the idea to have a Constitution of India? M.N. Roy. Who among the following is addressed as the chairman of Rajya Sabha? Vice President. When was the Revolt Act passed? 1990. From which country the process of impeachment of President of India is taken? USA. Which of the following is used as a moderator in nuclear reactors? Graphite. For the myopic eye, the defect is cured by concave lens. Mixed economy means co-exercise of public and private sector. India and China signed Panchsheel Act in the year 1954. Brahmo, Brahmas is the joint venture of which of India and Russia? Which state is the largest producer of cardamom and pepper in India? Kerala. The gas used in the manufacture of Banaspati ghee from Banaspati oil is hydrogen. How many languages are officially recognized in India? 22. Pearl is mainly constituted of calcium carbonate. Quinine, the effective medicine in the treatment of malaria, is extracted from bark of cinchona. What is dry ice? Answer: solid carbon dioxide. The time period of a pendulum depends on its length. The velocity of winds is measured by anemometer. The fuse wire is made of an alloy of tin and lead. The guardian of the Constitution of India is Supreme Court of India. Which of the following kind of energy is stored in a dry cell? Chemical. Who discovered principle of electromagnetic induction? Michael Faraday. The Nalanda University was founded by Kumaragupta. Washing soda is also known as sodium carbonate, NaOCO3. Baking soda is also known as sodium bicarbonate, NaHCO3. In which year Delhi became the capital of India? 1911. Which disease is caused by the bite of a mad dog? Rabies. Hydrophobia. Which metal is used for generation of nuclear power? Uranium. Which planet is known as the Earth twin? Answer: Venus. Which gland is both exocrine and endocrine? Pancreas. Which soil is best suited for cotton? Rigor. Largest freshwater lake of world? Superior Lake. Maximum strength of Rajya Sabha? 250. World Population Day is observed on July. Who was the first chairman of Planning Commission? Jawaharlal Nehru. Who was the first woman to scale the Mount Everest? Bachendri Pal. Who appoints the chairman of UPSC? President. Who pioneered Khilafat movement? Ali brothers. First general election were held in which year? 1951. Which gland is responsible for the secretion of insulin? Pancreas. In which state was the Pancharat Raj first introduced? Rajasthan. Which country is the leading producer of uranium? Canada. Which animal breathes through the skin? Frog. Which element is the highest conductor of electricity? Silver. Which is known as father of India Constitution? B.R. Ambedkar. Who fixed the poverty line? Niti Aayog. Who written the book India of My Dreams? Mahatma Gandhi. Where is Anaimudi located? Kerala. World's largest desert? Sahara Desert. What is the maximum gap between two sessions of a parliament? 6 months. Which of the following personalities gave the law of heredity? G.J. Mendel. Name of person who was also known as Deshbandhu? Chittaranjan Das. Git Govind is famous creation of Jaydev. In which year did the cabinet mission arrived in India? 1946. Panchayati Raj comes under state list. Harsha Charitra and Kadambari are the works of Banbhatta. When did the War of American Independence take place? 1776. Which of the following is the largest and the deepest ocean of the world? Pacific. Shark was formed in 1985. Which country is called the land of white elephant? Thailand. Which country is called the land of morning sun? Japan. Which city is called the land of thousand lakes? Finland. Which city is called the land of midnight sun? Naraya. The land of kangaroos is called Australia. The longest day is June 21. Dronacharya Award are given to the Kutch. Arjuna Award is given to the field of games and sports. Which is the highest civilian award in India? Bharat Ratna. Gyanapita Award is given in the field of literature. Dada Saheb Award is given in the field of cinema. Who was the founder of Sikh religion? Guru Nanak. What is the ratio of the length and breadth of the Indian national flag? 3:2. Which is the lowest unit of local government? Gram Panchayat. The famous dance Kathakali is related to which state? Kerala. Gol Gumbaz is at Bajapur. Who invited logarithm tables? John F. Pierre. Malfunctioning of which organ cause jaundice? Liver. Where was India's first atomic power station set up? Tarapur, Maharashtra. How many fundamental rights are mentioned in the Indian Constitution? 6. Which of the and articles cannot be suspended even morning emergency? Article 20 and 21. Who was the first Viceroy of India? Lord Canning. What is the minimum age required to become Vice President of India? 35 years. Niti Aayog has been formed to replace which of the following institution? Planning Commission. How many types of right are there in the Indian Constitution? 5. How many fundamental duties are mentioned in India Constitution? 11. In India Constitution, the method of election of president has taken from which country? Ireland. Who administers the oath of the President of India? Chief Justice of India. Which article of India Constitution has the provision for national emergency? Article 352. How many members of Upper House Rajya Sabha can be nominated by President of India? 12. Which of amendment is also known as the Mini Constitution of India? 42 Amendment Act. The Jammu and Kashmir State Legislative Assembly has a tenure of 6 years. Appointed for all India service are made by President. The Sarda Act is related to child marriage. The chairman of Niti Aayog is Prime Minister. Which planet is considered as the dwarf planet? Pluto. What is the name of tropical cyclone in the China Sea? Typhoon. The Himalayas is the example of fault mountains. The largest irrigation canal in India is India Gandhi Canal. Name the scientist who first declared that the earth revolves around the sun. Copernicus. Which of the following is the most toxic gas? Carbon monoxide. Name the animal which can do without water in its entire life. Kangaroo rat. Through which organ does a fish respire? Gills. Which lens are used by people having short sightedness? Concave. Which is the basic characteristic of a living organism? Ability to reproduce. Which of the following is caused by a deficiency of iron in the diet? Anemia. What is the range in hertz of the normal human hearing? 20 Hz to 22 KAZ, which natural element has the highest melting point? Tungsten, which is the hardest substance in the human body. Tooth enamel, who invented zero? Indians, which vitamin is available to the human body through sunbathing? Vitamin D. In which part of the plant does photosynthesis take place? Leaves. Which of flowing is affected by risks in human body? Bone. Which of the flowing gas do plants and trees gives out during photosynthesis? Oxygen. Which metal is added to steel to make it stainless steel? Chromium. Of which part of a planet is onion a modified from stain? Which of following is affected by gums? How many kilobytes make 1 megabyte? 1024. Which instrument is used to measure the density of milk? Lactometer. Which has the first living creature to go into space? Dog. What is the main constituent of hemoglobin? Iron. Which blood group is called universal recipient? AB. How many natural elements are known? 19. Which toxic element is present in tobacco? Nicotine. How many chromosomes does a human cell contain? 46. Who classified human blood into 4 groups? Called Landsteiner. Which one of the following is the largest in size? Blue whale. Which of the following was discovered by Alexander Fleming? Penicillin. In which function of the body do enzymes help digestion? Which is the largest bone in a human body? Femur. Which element is common to all acid? Hydrogen. Most important RRB NTP CGK. Which gland এটা হয়ে গেছে মেবি প্রতিটা পেজে। Which gland in the human body is called the master gland? Pituitary. Which is the shortest bone in the human body? Stapes. What is the chemical symbol for silver? Ag. Which of the following human bones is in the head? School. What is the temperature at which Fahrenheit and Celsius scale. So Fahrenheit and Celsius scale. So the same. 40 degree. Which of the following vitamins prevents night blindness? Vitamin A, who is associated with the invention of computers. C. Babbage. What is affected by eczema in the human body? Skin. With which invention is Alfred Nobel associated? Dynamite. What is the average heartbeat per minute in a normal adult human being? 72. Which of the following type of teeth grip food? Molar. Which body organ secrete bile? Liver. Which branch of science deals with heredity and the law that govern it? Genetics. Which system of numeration is used in computers? Binary. Which is the longest key on a computer keyboard? Spacebar. Of which part of plant is potato modified from stem? Which branch of science deals with kidney diseases? Nephrology. What does www stand for in the world of Internet, World Wide Web? What does meteorology deals with? Weather. From which part of the plant is turmeric obtained? Stem. Who propounded the universal law of gravitation? Newton. Name the unit used to measure the depth of water. Fathom. Which instrument is used to measure electric current? Ammeter. Why does the pancreas secrete insulin? The filament of an electric bulb is made of metal tungsten. The mirror used in motor bicycle near the driver's seat is convex mirror. In the visible spectrum, which color has the shortest wavelength? Violet. What is the unit of radioactivity? Cure. The non-cooperation movement was withdrawn because of the Chowri Chowra incident. A red flower cap in green light will appear be black. Indian first computer install was a Indian Statistical Institution. Kolkata National Science Day is celebrated in India 24th February. The larva of the frog is called tadpole. When was the first 5-year plan launched in 19? National Science Day, 24 February. The larva of the frog is called tadpole. When was the first 5-year plan launched in India? 1st April 1951. Where is Lothal situated? Gujarat. The first Jain Tirthankar was Rishabdev. Adolf Hitler was a military and political leader. German. The atmospheric layer closest to the Earth is troposphere. The state with lowest population in India is Sikkim. Largest producer is bauxite in the world is Australia. The instrument used in measure of humidity in air hydrograph. The shape of Milky Way galaxy is spiral shape. Which of the following is a large blood vessel that carries blood away from the heart artery? Which gas is most popular is laughing gas, nitrous oxide. Which among the following lead to Jallianwala Bagh massacre? The Rowlatt Act. The concept of inertia was developed by Galileo. What is the purest form of iron? Wrought iron. What is the speed of Earth around Sun? 30 km per second. Splitting of light into its constituent colors is known as what? Dispersion. Basically, what heavy water is used by which type of industries? Answer: in nuclear power generation plant. Mechanical clock made by whom? Isaac Newton. By which cotton fibers are made? Cellulose. What is the best source of protein? Soybean. 1 horsepower is equivalent to approximately 746 watt. Which was the first satellite of India going to the orbit? Aryabhatta. White revolution is related milk production. Which ray is very helpful is long distance photography. Infrared ray. In India, who laid the foundation of nuclear science? Homi J. Bhabha. Name of vegetable which is also known as a flower? Broccoli. Old name of Sri Lanka? Ceylon. Old name of Myanmar? Burma. Who wrote the national anthem of Bangladesh, Rabindranath Tagore, Amar Sanar Bangla. Border line between India and Pakistan, Radcliffe line. আরও কী কী লাইন রয়েছে তোমরা কমেন্টে জানিও। বর্ডার লাইন বিটুইন ইন্ডিয়া অ্যান্ড চাইনা, ম্যাকমোহন লাইন। বর্ডার লাইন বিটুইন ইন্ডিয়া অ্যান্ড আফগানিস্তান, ডুরান্ড লাইন। হু ওয়াজ দ্য ফাউন্ডার অফ মুঘল ডাইনাস্টি, বাবর। হু ওয়াজ দ্য ফাউন্ডার অফ স্লেভ ডাইনাস্টি, কুতুবুদ্দিন আইবক। হু ওয়াজ দ্য ফাউন্ডার মার্য ডাইনাস্টি, চন্দ্রগুপ্ত মৌর্য। Where is the headquarter of SAARC? কাঠমান্ডু। কাঠমান্ডু কোন দেশে অবস্থিত তোমরা লিখে জানো। Where is the headquarter of BRICS? সাংঘাই চীন। Where is the headquarter of UNO? New York. When was United Nations Organization established 14 অক্টোবর 1945, সান ফ্রান্সিসকো, ক্যালিফোর্নিয়া, ইউনাইটেড স্টেট। In which movement Mahatma Gandhi gave do or die? Answer: I Quit India movement, 8 August 1942. Who is the first Indian to win an Oscar? Bhanu Athaya. Who founded Agra? Sikandraladi. Who founded Fatehpur Sikri? Emperor Akbar. When was Nobel Prize started? 1901. First Indian newspaper by Indian, Heki Bengal Gazette. When was color TV introduced in India? 1982. Who wrote the Ramayana? Valmiki. Who wrote the Mahabharata? Vedvyas. Highest peak in India? Wild Mt Everest. Which is the most abundant gas in the universe? Hydrogen. Which gas manually affect ozone layer? Chlorofluorocarbon. Patna city is situated on which river? Ganga. Which state of India is rich in lignite? Tamil Nadu. Where is the highest rainfall in India? Cherrapunji. Which of the following was the first spacecraft internship? How amphibians do respiration? Skin. What is the currency of Saudi Arabian Riyal? Newton's first law is related to inertia. What is the capital of Thailand? Bangkok. Which of is used in sonar? Ultrasound waves. What is made in the process of yeast? Ethyl alcohol. Diamond and graphite are isotopes of carbon. How long is the zero period in the Lok Sabha? 1 hour. Which is the largest man-made lake? Gobind Sagar. Amarkantak is the origin of which river? Narmada. What is the currency of Japan? Yen. The era of India history is known as the Golden Age, Gupta period. Who discovered the atomic theory? John Dalton. Who built Brihadeshwara temple at Mazraj? Tanjore. Raja Chala. Who invented vitamins? Funk. Who discovered the protein Zebar Julius? What are that solved vitamins A, D, E, and K? What are the water soluble vitamins? Vitamin B and C. Powerhouse of cell. Mitochondria. Suicide vesicle. Lysosome. Factory of protein. Ribosome. Universal donor blood group O. Universal receptor blood group AB plus. Which gas is known as stranger gas? Xenon. Which of the following is the most abundant metal? Earth crust. Aluminium. Who is the author of the book A Suitable Boy? Vikram said the velocity of light is maximum in vacuum. Optical fiber work on the principle of total internal reflection. A person can jump highest on the moon surface that on the earth become. The acceleration due to gravity in moon is smaller than that on the earth. The side mirror of bicycle are of which type of mirrors? Convex. The red flower kept in green light will appear black. Supersonic aircraft fly with the speed and greater than the speed of sound. Burns caused by steam are much more sharp than those caused by boiling water because steam has latent heat. Superconductivity means current without feeling any resistance. Transformer, an electric device, is based on which of the following law? Faraday law of interaction. Which technique is used to detect the object on or under the surface of water? Sonar. Which of the following bonds are weakest in nature? Hydrogen bond. Who discovered oxygen? Called Silly. Joseph Priestley. Lead pencil content graphite. The isotope used for the production of atomic energy is U-235. The maximum number of Anglo-India who can be nominated to the Lok Sabha. 2. If the President of India wants to resign, he has to address the letter of resignation to the Vice President. The Parliament and the Constitution are the instruments of legal justice. Who is the presiding officer of the Lok Sabha? Speaker. Article 1 of the Constitution of India declares India as Union of States. Which among the following states has the largest legislative assembly? Uttar Pradesh. How much time is took for Constituent Assembly to finalize the Constitution? 2 years, 11 months, 18 days. The world's largest island is Greenland. Which place is said to be the Manchester of South India? Combator. Which of the following plays an important role in photosynthesis? Chloroplast gas released during Bhopal tragedy was methylene isocyanate. Ozone protect biosphere from ultraviolet ray. Which among the following is present inside the nucleus of an atom? Protons and neutrons. Which among the following is right? Phosphorus. P4. What was the name of the Guru of Kabir? Ramananda. Lilavati book is related to mathematics. Shivaji was crowned king of the Maratha at rest. A horsepower equals 746 watts. To hear a clear echo, the distance between the listener and the reflector sound V. 17 meter. The velocity of sound wave is highest in solid. How is the shape of our galaxy? Spiral. Which planet is nearest to the Earth? Venus. Which planet is nearest to the Sun? Mercury. Which star is the nearest to the Sun? Alpha Centauri. Which star is nearest to the Earth? Proxima Centauri. Brightest planet Venus. Brightest star Sirius Dog Star. Why is the drop of liquid spherical surface tension, which is used to produce artificial rain? Silver The term PVC used in the plastic industry standard for polyvinyl chloride. The acid present in lemon is citric acid, while of vitriol is sulfuric acid. Bauxite is the ore of aluminum. Periodic table was given by Mendeleev. The disease caused by a deficiency of protein was occur. The number of union territory in India is 7. The maximum duration for which the president is office can remain vacant is 6 months. Sakyamuni is another name of Gautam Buddha. The first Secretary General of the United Nations was Dragonfly. The highest producer of milk in the world is India. The first woman Chief Justice of the High Court of India was Leela Seth. The Battle of Waterloo was fought in the year 1815. In which year America got independence? 1776. Who is known as the artist of the world famous painting Mona Lisa? Leonardo da Vinci. Boston Tea Party protest was associated with the Revolution of America, which is considered as the oldest civilization of the world. Mesopotamian civilization, which among following is called gift of the Nile, Egypt. When ancient Olympic Games first held 776 BC, who is known as the father of modern medicine? Hippocrates, who is known as Bismarck of India. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, the Governor General of India at the time of formation of the Indian National Congress, was Lord Dufferin. Which among the following is a hereditary disease? Thalassemia, color blindness, hemophilia. Saffron is obtained from which among the flowing parts of the plant? Stinga. Penicillin, which is used as antibiotic, is obtained from fungi. The instrument that measure arterial blood pressure is known as manometer. Which of the following test is used for the diagnosis of color blindness in people? Ishihara test. Supreme Court of India established in 26 January 1950. Kalibanga is located in which state? Rajasthan. The people of Indus Valley worshipped on focus tree. Where did Arya come from? India. Central Asia. Where is Jim Corbett National Park located? Uttarakhand. Where is Sariska Tiger Reserve? Sariska Tiger Reserve located in Rajasthan. India is the largest exporter of the world. Mica. In which state is gold mine in India? Karnataka. Where is Chilka Lake situated? Odisha. Where is the Golden Temple situated? Amritsar, Punjab. Where is Dal Lake located? Srinagar. The chemical name of what water jet is sodium silicate. Crescograph was invented by J.C. Bose. The state of Nagaland has a special protection under which of the following article? Article 371A. Which of the following state does not have bicameral legislature? Odisha. Which article of the Constitution provides special rights to the President? Article 361. The largest producer of lead in India is Jharkhand. Financial emergency can be continued for infinite. Masses of stars and galaxies are usually expressed in terms of solar mass. Curie is the unit of radioactivity. Ampere is unit is current electricity. Parasec is unit of distance. Which one among the following metals is prominently used in mobile phone? Batteries. Lithium. Who among the following process that atom is indivisible? Dalton. Bronze is an alloy of copper and tin. Bronze brass content copper and zinc. Fuel. Fuse wire is made in tin and lead. Type of metals used printing is alloy, lead and antimony. Aluminium is extracted from bauxite. Which one of the following is an iron array? Magnetite. Which one among the following metal is used firework to make a brilliant white light? magnesium light is eliminating dwed converts electrical energy to light energy. The Celsius temperature is an absolute temperature in the magnetic properties agent belong to paramagnetic metals, which type often use capillary action in addition to gravity for flow of ink. Gel penalty, which one among the following most correctly determines the atomic number of the element's number of electrons. Which one among the following is used to make periscope plan mirror? Kilowatt hour is the unit of electricity. Which one among the following waves are called waves of heat energy? Infrared waves, ultrasonic wave are those sound waves having frequency more than 20 kilohertz in sonar used waves. Ultrasonic waves. The working principle of a washing machine is constitution. The time period of a simple pendulum 2 seconds. Gamma ray gave greatest similarity with X-ray. The sound having a frequency of 20 Hz to 20,000 Hz are known as audible sound. How has President the time session of the Indian National Congress U.C. Banerjee, who has been established by the Asiatic Society in Calcutta. Sir William Jones, who have the slogan of Inqilab Zindabad Bhagat Singh. The first division of the National Congress happened in the session of his Surat. How was the founder of Satyapurak Sabha? Satyapurak Sabha is Maharashtra. Jyotiba Phule. Gulf Stream is found in this ocean. Atlantic Ocean. What was the capital? Maharaja Ranjit Singh Kingdom, Lahore. Who wrote the book Glimpse of World History? Jawaharlal Nehru. Tipu Sultan was also known as Tiger of Mysore. The English defeated the Dutch in the Battle of Wandis. The French Victoria Memorial in Calcutta was proposed to be built by George Curzon, who built Gateway of India. British government national anthem was adopted Constituent Assembly on 14 January 1950. World War II started in the year 1939, who started Ganesh festival. Lokmanya Tilak, which is the first newspaper of India. Bengal Gazette, which freedom fighter from Bengal died at the age of 18. Khudiram Bose, Jamini Rai distinguished himself in the field of painting. The famous activities Medha Patekar is associated with which movement? Narmada Bachao movement. The United Nations officially came into exercise on 24 October 1945. The Nobel Prize was instituted by the country Sweden. Who wrote the Harry Potter series? J.K. Rowling. Alum Kappa is the scientific name of onion. Which elements has highest electronegativity? Arsenic. Most airports in India are named after politicians. World longest and border is between which two countries? Canada and USA. Which company developed Java Sun? Who built the Bibi Ka Maqbara in Aurangabad? Answer: Azad Shah, son of Aurangzeb. Battle of Kannauj in 1540 was fought between Sher Shah and Humayun. Who built the famous Shalimar Bagh of Srinagar? Jahangir. Sakhi, Sadbad and Ramaini were the notable work of Kabir. Who among the following built the famous Adai Darwaja? Alauddin Khilji. The caves and rock cut temple at Ellora era Hindu, Buddhist and Jain. Atala Masjid, which was built by Sultan Ibrahim, is located at Janpur. Sundarban was a disciple of which among the following saints? Vallabh Acharya. Mughal painting where reached its zenith of progress during the reign of Jahangir. Regional rural banks are governed by NABARD. Name the first Indian civilian aircraft. Saras. Where are the headquarters of RBI located? Mumbai. Dilwara, famous temple, belongs to which region? Zen. Sonar is based on the principle of echo. The danger signal are red, not yellow, because answer the wavelength of red light is more. The well in the wick of lamp rises due to phenomenon of capillarity. We receive sunlight on Earth's surface. What type of light dreams are these? Differing. Tesla is a unit of magnetic flux density. The SI unit of density is kc meter cube. A failure making a long jump is an example of projectile motion. Sound of frequency below 20 Hz is called infrasonic. Steel is more elastic than rubber because it requires larger deforming force. Transformer is a device used to convert low voltage AC into high voltage AC. What is the use of concave mirror? Answer: to provide a magnified image of the face for applying makeup. 512. Every hot object emit infrared ray. 513. A bomb explodes on the moon. You will hear it sound on earth after. Answer: cannot hear the sound of explanation. 514. Why does a cannon recoil after firing? Newton's third law of motion. আজকে এতটাই। যারা যারা চ্যানেলটি সাবস্ক্রাইব করনি চ্যানেলটি সাবস্ক্রাইব করে নিও, এবং যাদের পিডিএফ দরকার তারা ডেসক্রিপশনে দেখো, ডেসক্রিপশনে লিঙ্ক দেওয়া থাকবে, সেখান থেকে পিডিএফ পেয়ে যাবে এবং বন্ধু বান্ধবদের সাথে শেয়ার করে নিও। টোটাল 1000+ কোয়েশ্চেন আলোচনা করা হবে। 1000+ কোয়েশ্চেনের মধ্যে যেসব সামনে পরীক্ষা, যেমন MTS চলছে, ক্লার্কশিপ এবং যে NTPC চলবে, তাতে প্রায় 60 to 70% এখান থেকেই কমন পেয়ে যাবে। তবে ভালোভাবে পড়তে হবে। যাদের পিডিএফের দরকার ডেসক্রিপশন দেখে নিন, লিঙ্ক পেয়ে যাবে।